Hello everybody, welcome back to the new episode of Broforce. This is the 6th episode of this serial and I hope you're enjoying this. So, we have here our pet. Okay. Well, what's up with you? Oh, so they're fighting for me now. So useful people to have. Okay. So again, we're the shitty guy. I don't like him. He's very boring. He's just throwing shit around. What's up? Catch the chicken. Okay, good. You. He's doing damage, but it's not funny playing him. Okay, this is better. Oh, hello, piggy. Wait. Hello there. Oh my god. I'm sorry, piggy, but we needed to sacrifice someone for this planet. Okay. Okay. Go. Shit. Yeah, as we know, these bullets can curve. So yeah, no problem with that. Okay. Catch this. Yeah. Let's go switch. Okay. A rapid fire guy. Okay. Good. So let's go here. Yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying this serial, because I am. So yeah, we're just gonna. Oh fuck! Shit! Again, this machine with rockets. Fake Indiana Jones. Hello. Oh, he sacrificed himself for me. What a nice dude. Okay. Nope. Hello. Time to die. Come on. Raid. Oh. Wow. Okay, that's good. Okay, so good so far. Here we are again. Okay. So what's up with this cage? Ish brilliance. Okay. Again, a shotgun guy. What's his ultimate? No way. No way. No. Okay, so everybody's better than Will Smith. Yup, my favorite one. No. Why do you have to be so cruel, goddammit? What have I done to you? Burn, bitch. Yeah. So smart move. Yeah. Oh, here's the Satan. Dead, burned to death. That's it, guys. Yeah, let's go. Okay, here we are. We're gonna hire those two. Mr. Enderbro. Oh, he just fights. What's the ultimate? He's having pills. Oh. Okay. Terminator. He is simply the best. Ooh. What? Kamikaze? Oh. Understandable. Oh, oh shit. Rambo, kill Satan, that's it, yeah. Okay, good. Now he's about to die. No way. What's up?
CR666!
CR666. Oh, he's dead. He did. What? He regenerates. Come on. Now? What now? Is he dead? What am I supposed to do?
6.5 hours later.
Oh, maybe he has to fall down, like here. Oh, come on. Come on. Idiot. Come on. What the fuck are you doing? Come here. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, basically. Okay, he dug himself a hole and died. That's unfortunate. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna end this episode here. Thanks so much guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.